morning, students. Today, grade 5th, subject Social Science, topic Our Soil Resource. Our Soil Resource. Today, aim observe and name the different layers and the different types of soil. Different types of soil. Today, keywords Forest Department, Forest Department, Government, Government, Lawyer, Lawyer, Movement, Movement, Resin, Resin, Sacked, Sacked, and Timber, Timber. What is soil made up of? Soil is the topmost thin layer of small rock particles, minerals, and a variety of organic matter that covers the land surface of the earth. It's very useful for the cultivation of crops. It's formed by the breaking of rocks into fine particles. Soil contains both living and non-living things such as rocks, decomposed plants and animals. When living things die, they decompose and release nutrition. Release nutrition in the soil. Plants use this nutrition for their growth. Crops will be healthy only if grown in fertile soil. Growth in fertile soil. What do you see in this pot? Are all the materials in the pot different or similar? Are they arranged in layers or mixed up? How many layers can you identify? We can see stones and soil in the pot. They are all different and arranged in layers. There are 3 layers shown in the pot. What do you see in the bottommost layer? Next, second layer, and third one, top layer. What do they show or represent? Where do the plants grow? There are stones in the bottom layer to represent bedrock. Second layer is soil with less humus. The topmost layer has more humus. It forms the topmost layer of the earth. Plants grow in this layer. How is soil formed? Soil is formed by the breaking down of the rocks, known as the parent material. Known as the parent material. Types of soil. In India, the major types of soil are desert soil, alluvial soil, mountain soil, black soil, red soil, and laterite soil. The first one, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is formed by the deposited of sand and silt by the rivers along their banks. It's a fertile soil and rich in potassium. The soil is found in mostly northern plains of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. Crops that grow on this soil are rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane, and oil seeds such as groundnut and mustard. Groundnut and mustard. Second one, black soil. Black soil is rich in calcium and potassium and is found in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Madhya Pradesh. It's black in color. It's clayey when wet and develops cracks and when dry. Cotton is the most important crop grown on this type of soil. Sugarcane is another important crop that crops well on this soil. Red soil is red in color due to the presence of iron in it. It's rich in potassium. It becomes fertile with the use of proper fertilizers and irrigation. It's found in the Deccan Plateau, states such as Jharkhand, Odisha, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. Groundnuts, millets, pulses grow well on this type of soil. Mountain soil is formed by the deposit of organic matter. It's rich in humus but thin, coarse and infertile. It's mainly found on hill slopes of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Jammu and Kashmir. Tea, coffee, spices and some fruits are grown on this type of soil. Desert soil is found in Rajasthan and the adjoining areas Punjab and Haryana. It's very sandy and dry. Pulses and bajra are grown on this type of soil with the help of irrigation. Next one, laterite soil is found in places where heavy rainfall drains away the minerals and the nutrition present in the soil. It's mainly used to make bricks. It's found in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and parts of Assam. Some crops that grow on this type of soil are coconut, rubber and tea. Why are different kinds of soils formed from the same source? Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks. These rocks are not the same everywhere. The physical feature of a place also plays an important role. Areas near rivers have alluvial soil and places with less water have desert soil. Okay students, thank you. Do the worksheet.